Aloe is a very well-known plant of Liliaceae family. This remedy is proved by Helbig. The more we get into this remedy, the more we find the symptoms of engorgement of veins like aesculus with great fullness throughout the body, that is in the region of liver, abdomen, rectum, intestine, generally associated with hemorrhoids. It is more related to sulfur in its venous condition than to any other remedy. Its sphere of action is generally on nervous system, portal system, blood, skin, liver and intestine. It is preeminently a liver medicine. Coming to the key symptoms or guiding symptoms for this remedy, it is not a deep acting remedy like sulfur, and yet it is not so short acting as aconite or belladonna. The patient is generally a hot patient, aggravates from warm and ameliorates from cold things with psora miasm in the background. It is an excellent remedy like Nux vomica in re-establishing physiological equilibrium after much drugging where disease and drug symptoms are mixed. There are diseases of mucous membranes causing the production of mucus in jelly-like lumps from the body parts, generally adapted to indolent, weary people, aged, especially women of relaxed phlegmatic habit, old beer drinkers, lymphatic hypochondriacal patients. Usually dissatisfied and angry about himself or his complaints, especially when constipated, bad effects from sedentary life, aversion to mental as well as physical labor, and usually mental labor fatigues. Headache across the forehead, which is aggravated by every footstep with flickering of eyes, pain deep in the orbits, hot hands and cold feet or cold hands and hot feet, these alternate, diarrhea after eating or drinking with want of confidence in sphincter ani, which mostly drives the person out of bed early in the morning like sulfur, and diarrhea in old beer drinkers after drinking beer, or diarrhea brought on by eating oysters out of season, that is in hot summer weather. There is colic pain in the right lower portion of abdomen, and these attacks are preceded by obstinate constipation. There is insecurity in rectum. Hemorrhoids are blue like a bunch of grapes. The nature of these hemorrhoids is bleeding, sore, tender, hot, relieved by cold water. There is aversion to meat and longing for juicy things. Lumbago usually alternating with headache and hemorrhoids. Bleedings are more common in this remedy like venous oozings from the nose, which is called epistaxis, bowels, bladder, etc. Bleeding in general. Fullness in the region of liver. Perhaps one of the most striking features of the abdominal state is the fullness, distension and rumbling. Pain under right ribs or in right hypochondrium. Menorrhagia in females. This remedy is acutely given in conditions like diarrhea, headache, cough, hemorrhoids, hepatitis, low back pain, abdominal disorders, anal affections, colic pain, constipation, dysentery, and even in skin affections. Heading towards the general modalities, the complaints are generally aggravated early in morning from sedentary life, in summer or in hot dry weather, after eating and drinking, or even on standing or walking, and ameliorates by cold water in cold weather after flatus and stool, antidoted by opium and sulfur, similar to ammonium muriaticum, Nux vomica and podophyllum.